Welcome back to part 2. I think I have more stuff that I'm keeping than not, so it's looking good. But I'm probably not going to keep these because they're too long. Too long for me. I know I said that one was too long, but it's black. Okay, it doesn't stand out as much. I like it. I will keep these. We have, I'm not keeping that. It says BFF. Not sure who that is, but they don't want to say anything. Okay. That's super pretty. And it's super mine. Oh, there's a watch in here. Okay. I like it. I do. Oh, there's another watch. That one's pretty. Yes, that is for me. There's a ton of, what are these called? Pins, something. Get all these out. What a waste of space. I mean, unless you like those. Unless you like those. We'll see. This is love, a passionate feeling of affection for another person. Ooh, la la. Is it broken? No, it's not. Okay. I think it's just a necklace. I will keep this. I'm taking that off and I'm going to put something else on it. Because that's just not my vibe. I'm saying things. I thought that was working. It was ticking. It was not. That's really cute. Let's see if it fits. These never fit me. It's really cute, but it's just gonna be slipping and sliding around. I don't want to keep it. I do have other ones that are too big that I will keep because I'm gonna fix them and make them fit me. But yeah, I'm not doing that. This one might fit me. This one's tiny and it's cute. We'll see. It fits. This is the first watch that has ever, look at this. Look at the difference. I'm so excited. That is so cute. Hell yeah. That's so cute. Oh no. We do have earrings from part 1 and I'm not seeing any matches. Except for these suckers looking like peacocks over here. We got matches to those. Dang it, I like them too. I like them. Yeah, this is what's left. Wait a second. Are you serious? Why do they do this? I got this jewelry jar at the same place. I got another jewelry jar and it has, sorry, the light is like flooding out the color. This pink whatever earring, it's in the other one. So now I have a match. But like, what if I gave it away? You know? Anyways. More earrings, but no matches. An earring as well. With no match, but you can clip these on the top of your ear. Not that one. Anyways, I think I had a pretty good turnout with this jar. Yeah. Oh. And then there's all these pins. It says vote, pump, yes. Vote, pump, yes. There's this. A woman without a man is like a fish without a bicycle. Haha. Era, March on Washington. July. These are like super old. Era again, era support. The future is female. Liberation is not for women only. So, okay. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.